We need to modify these plastic pieces because we're going to remove the OEM bus bars and replace them with wires, and that is going to make it to where these no longer fit cleanly. So we're going to take this piece off and we'll set it aside, and we're also going to take this piece off. So now we'll move the junction board out of the way. So I've labeled what we need to cut off. You can see this is the OEM piece, and then we're going to cut right along this seam. Now I recommend using a saw because this plastic is really brittle, but you can also use wire cutters, but you might break the tab. I've done it several times. At this point, I definitely use the saw. So we'll cut this first piece. We also need to take a needle nose plier and just take a small section out of this piece here. So I'm removing just, 100 thou, so maybe 1 or 2 millimeters of material. Just something like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the switch bus bar covers. This is the OEM, and then this is the LiBCM. You can see we're gonna cut this corner all the way off, basically up through here and around. And then we're gonna cut this off. So we're gonna come around on this face, and then we're gonna go all the way to that face right there. So we'll do this one first. So we're gonna come around this corner, and then we're gonna come up there. I'm gonna come up first.